Welcome to the 2009 Moody Mega Math Challenge final presentations. Your paper was evaluated as being among the top 6 of the 389 that were submitted.
3 of us have been here before. We were here last year, and it's pretty relaxed. We're already getting a giant check no matter what, and so it feels pretty good.
Good afternoon, gentlemen of the judging panel. We are the Weaver School, and today we're presenting our paper on the economic stimulus package. $787 billion versus rising unemployment.
One thing that has taught me is how I can take something that I may not have thought was applicable to math and actually find a mathematical application for it. There is a correlation between the rate of unemployment and the rate of GDP that can be expressed with a linear model.
When we saw the problem, we had sort of speculated that it might be something to do with that, since it was a big issue at the time.
The economic package had 4 main components. Tax cuts and credits was the largest, accounting for almost 30% of the bill. Healthcare funding was the second largest, accounting for almost 20%. Green energy was actually $67.1 billion, which accounted for about 8.5%. And education funding accounted for just over 6%.
It's a paper that requires you to do intense research, use a lot of advanced math, economics, and statistics. That's way beyond the realm of anything you'll do for a normal homework assignment, and you still only have 14 hours, and it's just non-stop work, maybe after the halfway mark, after you finally figure out how you're going to tackle the problems.
We used a similar method to the first 2 sections to calculate the overall change in GDP, which we found to be plus 0.18%, which then correlated to just shy of 870,000 jobs.
In addition, we used data for the labor force of the last 28 years and made a linear regression to predict the size of the labor force in both 2010 and 2011.
It's such a cut above the usual work that kids are doing in classes, which is all chopped up into little pieces. It's just amazing that they do this.
How can you reconcile the nature of American test scores with the GDP correlation?
The relationship is more eventually between staying in school and employment. Test scores happen to be a factor that correlates to staying in school.
$10,000 scholarship. The Wheeler School, Providence, Rhode Island.
I think it's a great experience to be here with, 25 other people who are great mathematicians who did great work too. It's just a great experience to get to meet people and see how other people approach the problem.